Channels like this are already pulling in millions of views a month doing nothing but animated kid stories. No editing skills, no face on camera, no animation background. One of them has over 700,000 subscribers just from bedtime stories. Today, I'm going to build one from absolute zero. The character, the story, and the actual YouTube channel it goes on, and show you the exact tool, the exact settings, and the exact upload steps.
Stay to the end because I'm also giving away a free doc with 10 ready-to-paste story ideas so you don't even have to think of your first episode.
This is the proof this niche is real, not theoretical. 2 years ago, you couldn't touch this without an animation team. Today, one tool does the entire pipeline.
Let's build the actual content first, and I'll show you exactly where it lives. This is MagicLight AI, and it has a mode built specifically for this. Let's jump into the tutorial.
Head to magiclight.ai, linked in the description, and create your free account. No credit card. You get enough credits on sign up to generate a full 5-minute video, so you can test everything I'm about to show you before spending a cent. Once you're in, look for my character in the creation dashboard. That's the mode we want to create our character. I'm creating a little girl character and naming her Nora. Curious, warm, a little adventurous. I set her look. Soft yellow overalls, curly hair in 2 puffs, warm, gentle expression, and save her to the character library. This is the face your channel gets known for. So every future episode, I pull this exact same Nora back in instead of starting from scratch. Hit generate, and there we have it. Nora's saved. Now let's build her first story. Here's the exact prompt I used on screen right now. That's the level of detail I'd recommend. Set the scene, give small sensory beats, let the dialogue carry the emotional moment, and end somewhere calm rather than something loud.
This is exactly the kind of story I'm about to show you, and Claude can write for you automatically, by the way. More on that at the end.
Now in the settings panel, I select short drama video instead of kid story video, since I want my video to have a dialogue, not voiceover. Choose my story model, pick a visual style, and set the duration. For this tutorial, I'm going with 5 minutes to keep things quick, but you can push up to 10. Then I hit next. The tool is now analyzing my story to figure out who's actually in it. This is where voice selection comes in, right here, not back at character creation. It has pulled out my main character, Nora, and identified a supporting character it needs. In this case, a fox. For Nora, I select her voice from the options. For the fox, I pick a smaller, softer, slightly younger sounding voice to match a scared baby animal. Once both characters have a voice assigned, I select my generation model and hit next. And now the tool builds out the full storyboard for me automatically, scene by scene, matching what I wrote. And there it is, Nora and the fox, fully voiced, fully animated, character consistent from one detailed prompt.
Look at this. See how it glows? It is just a tiny lantern for the night. There is nothing to fear in such a small light.
Now let's actually get this onto YouTube.
With Nora's first episode already exported, let's set up the channel it's going to live on, because kids content has a few settings that actually matter.
Go to YouTube, click your profile icon, and select Create a Channel. Give it a name. I'm going with Nora and Friends, matching the character we just built so parents know exactly what they're getting before they click. Add a channel icon and banner. Since we already have Nora's finished design from MagicLight, I'm using that same image as the channel icon so the character and the branding match perfectly from day one. In YouTube Studio, under Advanced Settings, you'll set whether your content is made for kids. If your audience is genuinely children, you're required to mark it as such. This does disable some features like personalized ads and comments on individual videos, but it's a legal requirement under child privacy laws, not optional. Write a short, warm description of what the channel is. Something like, gentle animated stories and adventures with Nora and her animal friends, perfect for bedtime and quiet time. Add any social links you want here too. Channel's live, and it already matches Nora perfectly since we built the character first. Now let's post the episode we made earlier. Click Upload, select the video MagicLight exported, and title it clearly. Something like, Nora meets a shy fox who's scared of the dark bedtime story. Searchable, describes exactly what it is. Description, a warm one-liner about the episode, plus your required links and hashtags. Confirm the Made for Kids toggle for this specific video. Set your thumbnail. Nora's face plus the fox works best, bright and high contrast. Add it to a playlist called something like Nora and Friends, so binge watching is easy. Schedule it for a consistent time. Consistency in upload time matters as much as the content itself for this audience. That's a full episode, live, start to finish.
Here's what actually determines whether this becomes a real channel or a one-off video that gets zero traction.
Same Nora, new animal friend, every episode. That consistency is what makes a viewer subscribe instead of just watching once. And this tool helps you do just that.
Now let's talk numbers, because that's why you're actually watching this.
On top of YouTube monetization, once Nora has a following, you open up merch and book Books built around a character viewers already recognize. Sponsorships from kid-safe brands. Then, multi-language republishing. Moral and bedtime stories translate almost one-to-one across languages and cultures. So one story becomes 5 channels in 5 markets.
The ceiling here isn't the content, it's how consistently you publish. And with this workflow, one episode is a same-day task, not a 3-day production. Everything I just walked you through, you can do right now with the free credits MagicLight gives you on sign up, enough for a full 5-minute video. Links in the description.
Here's the part that removes the last excuse. I don't know what story to write. I'm giving you a free master prompt for Claude. You paste it in, tell Claude what kind of themes or topics you're drawn to, and it hands you back 10 story ideas. You pick the one you like, and Claude writes you the full scene-by-scene outline and a ready-to-paste MagicLight prompt in the same style and detail level I just used for Nora and the Fox.
Everything I just walked you through, you can do right now with the free credits MagicLight gives you on sign up, enough for a full 5-minute video. Links in the description.
So drop a comment below and I'll be picking winners from there. Details pinned. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe so you never miss out on the next video. See you in the next one.